Am I done with Dollar Tree? And should you be too? Dollar Tree is raising prices. News broke at the end of 2024, and this is rolling out this week.
Dollar Tree is now officially expanding their multi-price assortment by over 300 items at prices ranging from $1.50 to $7. Reddit was abuzz with all the price changes, with everybody wondering, is the entire store going to be $1.50 now or more?
Welcome back to Doitonadime. I have been your pro Dollar Tree shopper for the last 10 years.
When it comes to Dollar Tree, organizing, trust me, I know my stuff, and I aim to save you as much money as possible. All the Target dupes that are at Dollar Tree, the best products you can find at affordable prices. Listen, if you can dream it, I can make it from Dollar Tree. So here's what you've got to know.
Select items are rolled out that's going to begin March 24th through 27th, increasing prices up to $7 and some items at $1.75 and $1.50. Some of the biggest areas of the store that will be hit are aluminum foil, candles, balloons, and select food products too. Plus, the Dollar Tree Plus section is evolving, with managers at my store saying that the Dollar Tree is going to start placing $5 and $7 items throughout the store instead of just in one section. So lots of people are saying Dollar Tree is kind of turning into Family Dollar with all of these changes that are happening. Is it still even worth it to shop at the Dollar Tree?
Now, before you freak out, in a word, yes. But make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to show you exactly how to save. Not everything is still a good deal, but some things truly are.
So how do you still save? Be aware of shrinkflation, when the price of an item stays the same, or in some cases goes up, but the amount that you receive is less. So I'm looking at aluminum foil here. This is now $1.75, but I want to take Walmart's price to compare for the amount of square feet that I'm getting. At Dollar Tree, I'm gonna pay about 4 cents a square foot. And from Walmart, I'm still paying 6 cents. So in this case, Dollar Tree aluminum foil is still a better deal. With the price increases, there are gems to be had. Look at this, cheese wire slicer. This is a name brand product that has over a $10 retail. And they just got in these microwave cleaners for $1.25. This is a knockoff version of the $10 Amazon Steam Mommy to clean your microwave. These two things are a great product and a great dupe. For those of you who are gonna tell me, Kathryn, this video is sponsored by Dollar Tree, you're being paid. No, this video is not sponsored at all. I'm literally just informing you of the things that are gonna help you save money. When it comes to paper products, lots of these now have the $1.25 logo right on the actual product itself. This is not a sticker, this is not added on.
This is a big change I've noticed in the last 6 months, that most items have a price on them and most still stay $1.25. This was an intentional rollout as Dollar Tree is intermixing the Plus section throughout the rest of the store. It looks like the vast majority of the store is staying $1.25. I remember when they first increased the price, that extra 25 cents had people really freaked out, like, are they actually going to save? But as soon as they did that, the store got so much better and they brought in way better and more quality products. And I think if you know where to shop, it honestly evens out in the end.
Now they have expanded lines, so the quality is even better. This is the old version of the Essentials fridge soda containers. They're kind of opaque, they're a little bit flimsy, but Dollar Tree brought, for the same $1.25 price, this brand new container. This one is made of plastic. It is so nice. Like, this looks like something that you would find at Container Store. And yet again, I'm seeing here the $1.25 price built into the label. So I think that this is here to stay. And you've got to look at different spots of the store to see where the prices are raised. I'm going to show you some of those and tell you if it's a good deal. So here's what my store is doing. They have these temporary retail price tags. So through March 24th, you can still get these items for $1.25, bread and buns. I've seen this on some other items in the store. So now would be your time to come in and stock up before the price goes higher. These I can freeze. Here's an example of shrinkflation happening. This is $1.25 for Domino's granulated sugar. It used to come in a big box, so this is something I would no longer purchase from Dollar Tree.
In general, I recommend shopping at Aldi or Walmart. Y'all know Aldi is my favorite when it comes to food items. Certainly, there's a select few deals you can find, but I think right now, especially, you're gonna get way more bang for your buck at another store. But when it comes to other products,
again, your glassware, your organizing containers, this is all still a great deal, and I'm seeing no indication that these products are going to go up in price. At least, not yet, but I'll always keep you informed.
So just a handful of specific items are going up in price, but most of the store, like all of my staple favorites, those are still staying $1.25.
Another item I think is still going to be a great deal are body products. This is one of my favorite shower gels. It's paraben free, and this is a dupe for Brazilian Boom Boom Cream and all of like their body wash. This stuff is awesome. And this past year in general, Dollar Tree has rolled out tons of dupes that are near identical to some of the high-end products. These at $1.25 I think are still a great deal. And here's the thing I'd love to know from you. Would you rather that Dollar Tree keep their prices low but eliminate a bunch of products, or raise their prices on some items and have a wider selection? I think there's arguments to be made for both. I personally would love to see Dollar Tree keeping these products, and then I can be a more selective shopper with less impulse buys. Dollar Tree's Global Beauty Brand Care. This is vitamin C drops. Like, this type of thing is a brand new product. They have bubble dupes. I stocked an entire stocking this past year for less than $20, all from Dollar Tree. Like, I don't know about you, but the name brands at Dollar Tree, the hidden gem finds and the dupes have gotten so good in 2025, which leads me to believe we still have good things in store when you know where to look. And stick with me, I've got you. They have Lift and Firm Eye Cream with collagen and peptides. That's pretty cool. This, okay, yes. This stuff is good. So many of you said that you love this. We have a vitamin C serum. We have cleansers. They also have collagen facial cleansers. These have gotten so many good reviews. Look at this travel bag, $1.25, see? This is great. This reminds me of one that I saw at Ulta recently, nice and big on the inside. And stay tuned, because next week I'm sharing with you all of Dollar Tree's new product lines that actually save you money. I've been testing out products for a few weeks now because I always want to bring you the best deals. There are still gems when you know where to look. Cleaning products can get expensive, and lots of these I'm still seeing with the $1.25 label, which is great.
And they're getting more dupes, like the Pink Stuff spray dupe, as well as these toilet gel clings. This was that product that went totally viral on TikTok. And now for some more price changes.
I expected this for a while, that their socks were going to go up in price, especially the socks that are in bigger packages. Some are $3, some are $5, but some are still marked at $1.25. Again, this is just Kathryn's speculation, but I've been doing my research. The new CFO is a former Tyson Foods executive, so I would imagine that the food section of Dollar Tree is likely to expand. And the new CEO that they got in 2024, he has a history in working with auto. So to me, that might explain why we see so many new auto products, especially in the plus section. I don't know. What do you think? Let's talk Dollar Tree Plus items. This Lazy Susan is a great deal. This beats Amazon, this beats Target, and this beats Walmart. Their containers also still beat Walmart's prices. Readers are now $1.50, but I still think this is a great price, even compared to Walmart. I don't know. These are pretty cute. What do we think? I actually am at the point where I really do need this. Oh, that is helpful. Especially when it comes to like electronic items, I really stay away. I've never reviewed like AirPods and stuff because normally these break and the sound just isn't great. You are so much better off getting a quality one on Amazon that is well reviewed. If it's a bad deal, I'm gonna tell you, I think a lot of the garden items, they have some really cute stuff in the $1.25 section, but a lot of these you can get for cheaper at Costco, at Walmart, or some of it's just not great quality. I have not loved these pattern water wands. These are just like, they break really easily, but there's other items. Again, next week I'm gonna show you, but this is not one I would buy. Another thing I would not buy is these Wi-Fi smart light bulbs. Truly not worth the money, just trust me. I tried it. It's great though. This desktop vacuum is like a win. I love this thing.
And of course we had to give him googly eyes. Our family actually named him Kevin. This is one product we use every single day. Not only is he great on counters, but it's also great when you're organizing a drawer. And $1.25 product-wise, the Essentials line is awesome. They keep expanding, and these products have gotten better over time. Not less quality, more quality. I've been happy to see the vast majority of the store stay at that $1.25 price point.
Remember, it's only select items that are going up in price. There'll still be lots of finds that are $1.25. And when you know where to look, you good. I say at the end of every video, if nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. I would love to help you save big this coming year and have a home that you love without having to spend a lot. I'll catch you soon.